Hello, my name is Nixie and it's day 9 of Inktober. Today's prompt is swing, and as usual, I didn't think too hard, and I know I wanted someone to be sitting on a swing. So I just pull up Google and then search for some swing references, and then I found these swings. The one that's shaped like egg. I don't know if they're called something, but I love those. I've been wanting to own one, but I don't even know where to buy that, and I don't even know how much that would be. But I thought that a swing slash chair thing is really awesome, so that's what I chose to draw. I just put a little twist where it's kind of fairy tale-ish or fantasy-ish. At first, I wanted like vines, overgrown vines that wrapped itself on the swing, but I went with something that looks more like a tree. And I actually love the idea because I think it's kind of uncommon. Also, I decided that the person that will be sitting on the swing is one of my OC, which I think I called her Brawler Girl. She's the one on my profile or my avatar, and you can see that right now if you look at it. Anyway, I decided to draw her because I just missed drawing her. She's like a street fighter. I think she is a street fighter, not one of those from the game, but I'm talking a legit street fighter. So she's really tall and really strong, and she loves to fight. Yeah, I just wanted to draw her relaxing on the swing. But yeah, that's all I can say about this. I use the same things I've been using, and see you again tomorrow for day 10. Thanks for watching, and bye!